In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Analytics time zone. Setting the correct time zone is crucial for ensuring that your data is accurately reflected according to your local time, which is particularly important for understanding user behavior patterns and optimizing your reports. So, let's dive in and take you through this step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Analytics website by visiting analytics.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your Google account credentials. If you manage multiple properties, make sure you select the correct one for which you intend to change the time zone. After signing in, you should see the Google Analytics dashboard in front of you, which might look a little overwhelming if you're new to it, but don't worry, we'll break it down. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of this dashboard. You'll notice a gear icon labeled Admin. Click on this icon, and it will lead you to the Admin panel. The Admin panel is essentially the control room where you can manage various aspects of your account, properties, and views. It's divided into three main columns: Account, Property, and View. Focus on the middle column labeled Property, as this is where you'll make the necessary changes. Look for an option that says either Property Details or Property Settings. Occasionally, these might be labeled differently based on updates to the interface, but they essentially serve the same purpose, allowing you to configure basic settings for your selected property. Once you've clicked into Property Details, scan through the settings until you locate the Reporting Time Zone drop-down menu. This is the key element where you can set the time zone. Right now, it might be set to a default or incorrect time zone, depending on your initial setup. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a list of available time zones. Scroll through until you find your desired time zone, whether it's GMT+8, Eastern Time, or any other relevant option. Remember to select a time zone that accurately reflects the geographical location of your audience or aligns with your business operations for precise reporting. After making your selection, the final step is to save the changes. Look for the Save button, typically situated at the top or bottom of the Property Details page. Click on Save, and your new time zone setting will be applied. It's important to note that it may take a little time for these changes to reflect across all data reports, so be patient. And there you have it, a straightforward way to adjust the time zone in Google Analytics to ensure your data aligns with your local time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your Google Analytics setup.